How to see trending stickers on Telegram. So if you want to see all stickers that are currently trending on Telegram, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to see trending stickers on Telegram, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Telegram app on your phone. So this could be on Android or iOS. Once open it, go to your Telegram settings by clicking on the menu and then select settings. On iPhone, just go to your Telegram settings. Now, one on the settings page, locate settings and then click on chat. This is going to open your Telegram chat settings. Under it, just scroll down. Just keep scrolling the page until you see stickers and emoji. So go ahead and click on that. Now, once you click on stickers and emoji, under stickers and emoji, locate trending stickers. You see that? Then click on it. Now, once you click on trending stickers, then you should see the stickers that are currently trending on Telegram. So some are free, while some of the stickers are premium. So you can see I have all of these as free stickers that are currently trending. Then if you scroll down a bit, these stickers are locked. That shows they are premium stickers. So you need to have a premium Telegram account to be able to see or use all of these stickers. So that is basically how to find or see trending stickers on Telegram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.